Hello, welcome my dear viewers to my channel Marilyn Korea's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful recipe made with bread slices. It is the French toast. Okay, I'm going to use bread 5 to 6 slices depending upon how many eggs I use. Okay, it's a very simple recipe and there are many variations. Okay, you can use even strawberries lastly to garnish it, but let me start with the video first. This is bread, the previous day's bread. Okay, if it is not previous day, if it is fresh, you have to toast it on a pan, dry toast it on toaster slightly. Okay, and then use it because it should be like this, dry. If it is fresh, it will soak in and become very soft and you won't be able to lift the slices. Now come to the, I'm going to grate some nutmeg. Put half of it. Do not very until the sugar melts. I have beaten the egg. Now I have to put in half a cup of milk. Little vanilla essence. Put in pinch of salt. It enhances the taste. Always when you are putting sugar in something, you have to mix it thoroughly. Now most important is the flavor of cinnamon. Most important. I made this powder at home. Don't worry if some small powder pieces are floating. It's okay. It doesn't dissolve like that. I have to pour this. You know why I'm pouring it in that? Because this has to dip not for a long time, 30 seconds on each side. You see, if you had taken a soft one, okay, come, we shall start frying it. Yes, taking a steel pan. It's not it's 3-layered steel pan. Putting little oil. I'll tell you why I'm putting little oil, because I have to use butter also. I don't want the butter to smoke. Let all this be done in slow flame. Otherwise, it burns. Let it be done slowly. Second one. You know why you have to keep it on slow flame? Because you are sure that it will not burn, but it will have this type of a color. It is also good to roast the bread on a pan, you know, non-stick pan or whatever it is. It becomes dry. It's quite dry, and then do your toast. Okay, I'll do another two. Just for 30 seconds on each side. Okay, remove the extra egg. That is the flame. Low you have to keep. Okay, do it on slow flame. After two slices frying, then you can put more oil, little more butter. Let me see if the other side also is fried. Yeah. Little more, little more. Let me fry one. Getting the aroma of the cinnamon and put little oil because I don't want the butter to smoke. You can dress this with honey mixed with little rum, but I'm not using today. I'll just dress it with honey. You can also make sugar syrup, you know, sugar syrup, and put some strawberries in it and do the dressing. But today I'm making it very simple. It's done. Okay, now my French toast is ready. I told you the variations, okay, how to make it on slow flame. You can do the dressing with sugar syrup with some strawberries on it, blackberries, raspberries, all three mix and serve. Yes. Thank you, my dear viewers, for following me on my channel. Watch some more videos. Cook and get back to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. You want me to tell you how many? With 2 eggs, beaten eggs, and half cup of milk, you will get 6 French toasts. Okay.